Imagine you've been asked to develop a new mining level, and you have K-Mine to help you. In this video, we'll quickly show you how to create a new pit horizon and assess key parameters for your future operations. Here's the current pit model. While K-Mine has powerful dynamic design tools, today we'll try another method, an interactive way to build a ramp and set up the initial working area. First, we open the Create Ramp task and pick our starting point. Next, we review the presets and select the ramp design best suited to our site. If needed, you can add an offset to create a berm, but this time we're creating paired horizons. Now, let's define the edges of the opening, link them to the ramp's starting point, and smooth the corners for a realistic path. We build the upper pit edge similarly, and then close the contour. To check accuracy, we generate a wireframe and display both current and planned surfaces. Any differences clearly show up in color-coded areas, helping us quickly pinpoint the mining zones. Next, we analyze ore quality. We activate the block model, apply filters, and hide the current surface to better see the target area. The different colors clearly represent various rock types. Finally, we calculate volumes. Select the area, and K-Mine will analyze ore volume, mass, and grade using the block model. You'll instantly receive the results in a clear, structured table, allowing immediate evaluation of your planned operations. In the next video, we'll demonstrate how to create a blast design. Stay tuned.